RC competition dito sa Villa Diana. Let's go, let's go!
Hindi dyan na lang para kitang-kita. Kasi
Ay, wala. Yan na, it's official.
Surroundings and hassle-free parking, all in one destination, truly unforgettable.
Yes.
Village
37. Week number 20. Week number 63.
Yes, Mr. Knock Knock. Kawas ka na?
Okay. Week number 63 is Michael Vincent de la Cruz versus week number 22. Let's go! Alright.
Slowly but surely. Slowly but
Here we
surely.
go. Okay, be honest lang mga brothers, sirs. It's just a friendly competition, mga Doc Meet Doc TV!
Yes!
Panalo!
Manalo tayo, manalo tayo.
Panalo from? From Chake. Chake, malapit lang. Okay, congratulations. Doc TV. That's it. Alright. Ayan na. Oops. Swabing lang magpatakbo ang mga kuya natin.
Enthusiasts, and have an amazing day here at Villa Diana Hotel. Good luck to all.
Monkeys! Wala ka! Okay, mga sir! Good luck! It's a friendly race! Ready? Wow!
Tinga, oh.
Week number 27, nandito na ba? 20 seconds. 19,
Upak! Upak!
18,
Upak!
15, Okay, win by default, number 69. Congratulations. Okay, next, mga sir. Week number 30, week number 66. Okay, come on, mga sir. Versus 634. Tama. 33 versus ready, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Yes, whoa, my God. Okay, sige, lang tayo mga siko. Okay, 35, 36. 35, 36. Nasa na? Nasa na si 60?
Matulid.
Rig number 60. Check your rig number, sir. Wala na. Ayun, si number 60. Okay, sir. Ayan ko para sa sir. 60. Okay, oh, sir. Good. Okay. 60 versus 59. Oh, what happened? Oh my God! Okay, sa sobrang saya. Natanggal ang battery, it's okay. Okay, eto na. Back on track.
Diana RC Crawlers
So, 59. 2, 3, let's go! What's Rubicon and
authorized marshals
Shelby.
inside the course. Drivers, please be ready.
35 and 36.
Cheer for your favorite drivers but please don't block the course or spectator views.
Nagbabalik ang Alicia Rescue Team driven by the
Please
Vice
dispose
Mayor.
of your trash properly.
Okay, for another friendly match. 35-36. Scheduling.
Drinks are available at the
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, it's Doc TV. So nandito tayo sa Villa Diana para sa RC event. So maraming mga rigs, maraming mga bisita, maraming mga dayo galing sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Region 2. So hanggang Cagayan meron tayong bisita. Mga Together Raw RC Crawlers. So kasama natin ang mga taga-Itiage. Ayan, mga Itiage RC Crawlers. Ay, solid, sobrang fun. Kahit natalo kami, kahit wala kaming nakuhang spot para sa semis and finals, at least nag-enjoy. Pero solid, grabe ang RC. Okay, so sana mag-enjoy din tayo sa paglaro at sana marami pang RC event na mangyari dito sa Isabela. Yes, God bless.
2, 1, let's go! Alright, come on, Jake and Alan. The black action and the blue one. Leading the way, Sir Jake. Now Sir Alan. Okay, going down, Sir Jake. Here we go, head-to-head ang laban between Sir Alan and Sir Jake. Here we go for third place. Alright, and the winner is... Galing. Okay, good luck. Santiago and Kawayan, RC Crawlers, Sir Rick and Sir Ahi. Gentlemen, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, best of 3. Who will have the first point? Head to head ang laban. Pareho silang kalmado. Kalmado. Si Sir Wen taking the shortcut. Alright, he's now leading the way. And also Sir Aying. Oh, took the shortcut and smoothly nalampasan ang shortcut. Leading the way now is Sir Aying. Okay, alright. On the left lane is humahabol ang Santiago RC Crawlers. That's it. Almost there with Sir Ayin. Alright, humahabol pa rin Sir Ren. Sir Ayin for the win kaya. Here we go. And our second placer is that.
Congrats, Idol, congrats. Nice one.
And the winner, the RC Crawler.
Yun!
Palakpakan naman! Sir Jake, palakpakan nyo naman si Jake. Miguel, okay. It's Miguel, okay. Miguel Asirit. Okay, gentlemen, you will receive a plaque.
Taas mo. Yan, taas mo. Wow!
Palakpakan naman natin sila. Yeah!